Hey y'all, my name is John Mitchell. I'm a certified financial coach. The purpose of this video and this YouTube channel is to teach you how to master the personal finance basics. In today's YouTube video, we're going to be discussing how to use your Christmas bonus to pay off debt and a little bit extra. While I wish I could say it was me, unfortunately this year I will not be receiving a Christmas bonus. At least I'm not Clark.
What is it?
It's a 1-year membership in the Jelly of the Month Club.
For all you folks re-enlisting this month, or you lucky civilians who get to work for a bonus, this video is for you. As the title of this video suggests, you should definitely use your Christmas bonus to first pay off any consumer debts. Now math says pay off your debt in order of lowest or highest interest rate to lowest interest rate. The Dave Ramsey method is to pay off debts in order of size of debt. So you want to pay your smallest debt first and then slowly work your way up to your largest debt. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm a big math guy, but I also recognize, as Dave Ramsey does, that human habit plays stronger to when you see those small little victories of paying off debt, one account at a time. Now that you've done your part to take care of that high interest consumer debt, if you have any, of course, now you can complete your emergency fund. It's crazy. It's almost like we're going through Dave Ramsey's baby steps. In your emergency fund, you're looking to have 3 to 6 months of your total expenses saved for a rainy day situation. Now, if you have a very stable job, you're probably looking closer to that 3-month range. If you're a contractor or are not sure where your next paycheck is going to be coming from, you probably want to lean towards that 6 months emergency fund so that if you get laid off from your job or lose your job for whatever reason, you have that emergency fund to fall back on. If you have not already, like and subscribe to this video as it helps me see what content you all like and want to see in the future. So at this point in the video, we've discussed paying off any silly consumer debt, and we've also discussed building your emergency fund. What this does is gives you a strong financial foundation that you can build from. Now, if you want to continue your Dave Ramsey financial freedom journey, you're more than welcome to do so. The next answer from that baby step wise is to put money towards a mortgage, if you have one, of course, and then follow the rest of the steps from there. But my best recommendation to you is to max out your retirement plans if you have not done so already. While paying off your mortgage now may sound appealing, if you have a lower interest rate, let's say, for example, like 7% interest and below on your mortgage, if you invest properly in your retirement plans, you'll actually see better gains in those plans over time than you would in your mortgage. I mean, think about it. If you have a 30-year mortgage, your mortgage will be gone in 30 years. Your retirement plan is for life. So depending on your age, it may be more wise to invest in your retirement plan that will grow for life than paying off your mortgage faster than making regular payments every month on it. Now, if you've already done all this up to this point, you've paid off your debt, you have a good emergency fund, and you maxed out your retirement accounts from the year, hey, the sky's the limit for you. You're more than welcome to buy something real nice for yourself. Let me know in the comment section down below what you plan to do with your Christmas bonus, and also let me know how I did with these Christmas vacation inserts into the video. It's my first time doing it, so I hope it provided you a little extra bit of entertainment. I hope you got something out of today's video. The beauty about having a YouTube channel is that videos like this,
it's the gift that keeps on giving the whole year.
if you're looking for a financial coach to help you with your personal finances in the future, sign up for a free appointment today with the link in the description or in the comment section down below. I love each and every one of you, and I'll see y'all in the next video.